Computer System Validation. Deliverables. Presented by Learn GMP incorporated in collaboration with Technical Training and Consultation Service. In computer system validation, mostly following deliverables are required. Planning phase deliverables. Specification phase deliverables. Verification and testing phase deliverables. Compliance and data integrity deliverables. Documentation and supporting records. Finalization and release deliverables. Optional deliverables. Regulatory alignment of CSV deliverables. Traceability across the CSV lifecycle. Introduction. In a GMP-regulated environment, the deliverables for computer system validation, CSV, are formal, auditable documents that demonstrate a computerized system has been validated in accordance with GAMP 5, 21 CFR Part 11, EU Annex 11, and other applicable guidelines. These deliverables provide a full lifecycle traceability from requirements to implementation, testing, and maintenance. The deliverables can be grouped into phases, aligning with the V model and GAMP 5 lifecycle approach. Planning phase deliverables. These documents define the strategy, scope, and risk of the validation project. Deliverable. Validation Master Plan, VMP. Description. High-level plan covering all systems within the facility or organization. Deliverable. Validation Plan, VP. Description. Specific plan for the computerized system being validated. Deliverable. Risk Assessment, RA. Description. GXP impact and risk level to prioritize validation efforts, per GAMP 5. Deliverable. System Inventory. Description. List of computerized systems with categorization, GAMP 5 Category 1 to 5. Deliverable. Project Plan/Gantt chart. Description. Timeline and resource allocation for validation activities. Specification phase deliverables. These define what the system should do and how it should be configured or developed. Deliverable. User Requirements Specification, URS. Description. Business, regulatory, and user needs, the what. Deliverable. Functional Specification, FS. Description. How the system meets URS functionally. Deliverable. Design Specification, DS. Description. Technical configuration or architectural details. Deliverable. Configuration Specification, CS. Description. For Category 4 systems, details of system parameters and options chosen. Deliverable. Data Interface Reporting Specifications. Description. For integrations, data migration, reporting logic. Verification and testing phase deliverables. These documents demonstrate that the system works as intended through formal qualification. Deliverable. Installation Qualification, IQ. Description. Verifies installation of hardware/software as per design. Deliverable. Operational Qualification, OQ, verifies the system functions according to FS/DS. Deliverable. Performance Qualification, PQ. Description. Verifies that the system supports intended business processes in production. Deliverable. Test Scripts, IQ/OQ/PQ. Description. Step-by-step test cases, including expected/actual results and evidence. Deliverable. Test summary reports. Description. Overview of testing results, deviations, and approval to proceed. Deliverable. Traceability matrix. Description. Maps URS FSDS test cases results, critical for audits. Compliance and data integrity deliverables. Ensures the system meets 21 CFR Part 11, Annex 11, and Alcoa Plus expectations. Deliverable. Access control matrix. Description. User roles, privileges, and GXP functions. Deliverable. Audit trail verification report. Description. Demonstration of secure, timestamped audit trail for all critical actions. Deliverable. Electronic signature verification. Description. Confirm proper application and traceability of e-signatures. Deliverable. Backup and recovery testing. Description. Evidence of data protection, disaster recovery strategy. Deliverable. Data migration/load verification, if any. Description. Validation of data transferred from legacy systems. Documentation and supporting records. These provide evidence and management oversight of validation activities. Deliverable. Deviation logs. Description. All exceptions during testing or qualification. Deliverable. Change control records. Description. Any changes to configuration or environment post-validation. Deliverable. Kappa reports. Description. Corrective actions for test failures or audit findings. Deliverable. SOPs, standard operating procedures. Description. For system use, change control, backup, restore, audit review, and security. Deliverable. Training records. Description. Evidence that users and admins are trained on the validated system. Finalization and release deliverables. Deliverable. Validation Summary Report, VSR. Description. Summarizes the entire validation lifecycle, results, deviations, conclusions. Deliverable. Approval to release for GXP use. Description. Sign-off from QA, IT, and business based on successful validation. Deliverable. System Release Certificate. Description. Optional, formal statement that system is fit for intended use. Optional deliverables includes. Deliverable. Supplier audit reports. Why it helps. Confirms third-party vendors meet GXP expectations. Deliverable. Service Level Agreements, SLA. Why it helps. Ensures availability, support, and compliance commitments. Deliverable. Periodic Review Procedure. Why it helps. Defines how the system will be reviewed post-go-live. Deliverable. System Retirement Plan. Why it helps. Outlines decommissioning strategy and data preservation. Regulatory alignment of CSV deliverables. Regulation. 21 CFR Part 11. Required deliverables. Audit trail testing, e-signature verification, access control, system validation. Regulation. EU Annex 11. Required deliverables. Risk management, backup/restore, security, change control, periodic review. Regulation. GAMP 5. Required deliverables. V-model lifecycle documentation, system categorization, traceability, testing. Regulation. ICH Q9. Required deliverables. Risk-based approach to validation documentation and controls. Traceability across the CSV lifecycle. URS. FS. DS. IQ/OQ/PQ. Test evidence. Summary report. QA approval. This traceability chain is essential for audit readiness and regulatory compliance. Thanks for watching our channel. Feel free to reach us at contact@learngmp.com for any training and consultation requirements.